Do you have debt in your business? Well, today I'm going to teach you how to get rid of it fast. What's up, everybody? Craig here. I'm a profit coach who loves helping service-based business owners finally find some peace of mind when it comes to their money. One of the worst things you can do to your cash flow in business is have debt. Now, I know that there's a lot of people out there who'll say that debt is a good thing. It can help your business grow. And you know what? Sometimes that could be the case. But a lot of times what I find when a client sits across from me is that debt is an anchor on their cash flow. They are funding past expenses. So that investment that they made, or that office building they got, or the piece of equipment or the truck or whatever it is that they got last year or 2 or 3 years ago, they're still paying on it. So their cash flow is tied up in investments that were made previously. That can really slow down your progress. If you're trying to scale this business and you have cash tied up in debt, then it really holds you back. So the solution is to pay off your debt and really try to have a cash-based business. You can become your own bank, essentially, is what we want to do. We want to have enough cash in reserves inside the business that you can fund any opportunity that arises. But of course, first, we got to get rid of the debt that you already have. So how can we do that in a way that's quick, that's systematic, and that really takes care of it without holding you back from growing your business still at this moment? Step one is to list your debts in order from smallest to largest. First, we have to know what we're dealing with. So take your smallest debt by balance and then list them from smallest to largest balance in order. Next to that, you can write the monthly payment. What are you paying on those debts every month? Now, I know a lot of people out there are going to say, what about the interest rate? Should I pay the largest interest rate off first or the smallest debt? I'm a big believer in the debt snowball. That is paying them off smallest to largest balance regardless of interest rate. The reason is we want to free up cash flow. Again, that's the whole reason that I'm recommending doing this in your business, is freeing up that cash flow. So the sooner we attack that small debt, you're freeing up a small monthly payment that you can then roll over to that next debt. You instantly have some cash flow relief when you knock off those first few debts, and you're going to be able to do them pretty quickly. Once you know what you're dealing with, the next step is to open an account nicknamed Profit. I want you to start allocating a percentage of all your sales to that Profit account. To start with, just start with 1%, and you can slowly increase it a little bit. What you can do with this account is as money accumulates once per quarter, every 3 months, you could take the cash in that account and go dump it on your debt snowball. This is the one time where I might say it's okay to go out of order because you're taking a large chunk and you're dumping it down on that debt. So let's say that you have $10,000 that you're taking out of your Profit account and you have a $10,000 debt that's costing you a lot of money per month in monthly payments. Well, because our goal here is to free up cash flow, maybe that one debt is going to free up the most. If you pay that off, you skip ahead and pay off that debt, you're going to free up more monthly payment money than you would if you were to start at the smallest one. Again, the key here is looking at what is going to free up cash flow. What's going to free up those monthly payments the fastest? Now that you have this shovel of the Profit account funneling towards your debt, the last piece is your operating expenses. Look to see if you have some wiggle room in your operating expenses. If you have excess, go cut some expenses to see where you can funnel more cash towards this snowball. See if you can cut 10% of your expenses in your business to reallocate toward paying off this debt. I know debt can feel overwhelming sometimes, but this is the fastest way to get your business under control and finally take control of that cash flow. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe and like it so that more people can see it and get help in their business too. Now, if you're looking for a way to leverage more and get more cash to funnel toward that debt, I recommend watching my video on the flow of money. This video is going to walk you through what to do when $1, $10,000, whatever amount comes into your business. Where should that go? How should that be allocated so that you can really see where can I pull more money to funnel toward this debt? I'm going to link that video right up here for you. Check it out next before moving on to anything else. I look forward to seeing you guys next week with a brand new video.